Do you understand what I am saying? Do not redeem. All right, let's get my music playing up in here. Can't be trading in the silence. I don't know how some of y'all do it. Team Bulls non WhatsApp. No. It sure is not. Tyler, what is up, my bro? I hope you absolutely kill it today. Watching Jdun while on the Stairmaster. Bro is getting after it on the peaches. Bros on the Stairmaster, please do not redeem the gift certificate, like LJ says. Oh, man. What a pullback, though, guys, for real. What a beautiful, beautiful pullback. I love to see it, personally, for a multitude of reasons. The main of which being I want to buy more Bitcoin again, cheaper. Get your mind right for the charts. That's dope. Well, no one does it better than you, my boy. No one does it better than you. I love it. Like when something is so bad it is good, makes me laugh. Appreciate it. You're funny. Scottish and Indian. That is my accent. That's what I derive from. Get everything set up for the day, and then we will be ready for our pre-market prep here in about 5 to 10 minutes. I sound pooped. I do? Me? Let's see. The passion. Oh, wow. Activate light. All right. Red today. I hope the market's red. All right. I appreciate you, Remy. Appreciate all y'all tapping and using code Jdun as well. Need some sniff. What? The upside down. Let's check. We're good there. Yeah, I typically have low risk reward. I typically go for like 1.5 to 2R. Nothing crazy. Base hits. That's my and honestly sometimes even 1-to-1. I mean, I'll have trades that I get 3R from, but it's just not my style personally long term, especially whenever I'm trading with props too. Yo, what's good, everybody? All right, screen share should be up in Team Bull as well. Yeah, honestly, if I can just using a mean reversion strategy, it's been great. Yeah, it's money bags. Is that similar to kind of like a break and retest? It's a reversion of the mean, 50% retracement, and then continue. If so, I trade very similarly in a sense, just with a little different verbiage. I pretty much only trade break and retests. What's up, Grizzly Glot? You haven't for how you trade? Essentially looking for standard deviations to be overbought and oversold. Oh, got it. Then using inversion fair value gaps for entries. Okay, I can dig that. Some impulse candles. I can dig that for sure. Where is my okay? The question is what do you use for your time frame? Like I like using impulse candles or any fair value gaps in the 5-minute, but some people like the 1-minute chart or sometimes even like the 30-minute. I know you use the 30-minute. Well, I'm on the 5-minute time frame because I love the 5-minute time frame. It's made me a lot of money. Bro, anytime you want to come to the headquarters, bro, you come. First class ticket on me. Come on now. It's been honestly a very good vibe, and we got a lot of renovations happening too. I hired an interior designer for the headquarters. She's been cooking. There's some really good stuff coming in the next like month. So you tell me when you want to come. The content always does really well too. 'Cause it's cool. It's just something not really anyone does, you know.
Basically, what are the things that I'm looking when I mention these levels? I'm looking for the blocks, change of character. If I see price action, doing this at these levels,
There's many profiles with your name on it. Yes, and not a single one of them are me. So please don't get scammed.
Suddenly they went back to 700 and changed the character. That's why I took the notes.
We got Bitcoin heading down towards 100,000 again. It's coming. It's coming, guys. I hope you guys have been saving some cash to buy. Honestly, I hope that I don't know what the future of the market is clearly, but I hope that 2026 is a real bloody year in the markets. I would love a fat pullback. I would.
Now we need to wait maybe for 742. Maybe for 742. I see that's a confirmation. Like I say, it's a big range. So.
When to buy for Bitcoin? I like anything. I mean, honestly, I like. I even like right now. This morning, I woke up and I bought $2,000 worth.
I know we have a gap here. I have my range. I respect my range. I see the price action working. I think that's the reason why I took it. The first trade. Now they're moving to 742. Let's see. Let's see what happens at 742. But I would like to see a 742. I would like to see a strong break. Leaving all the blocks there. So just below 742.
Thank you, Jdun, for DOD locked in another payout. Let's go, baby. That's DOD, baby. What's up, Jonathan? Good morning, bro. Lots of our traders getting more and more payouts.
I don't like that. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, guys?
Let's see here.
Are you clear? So, are we clear with the explanation about my loans? I brought you to 742. Man, I don't like to take trades 10 minutes before open. What the fuck is happening? 742 now. Thinking about it. Some break now.
You're about to lose your funded. Well, you better get that DOD on. A discipline over dopamine. How's everyone in Team Bull doing this morning? Yes, y'all ready?
Yes. We play already. What is happening now, man? I don't like this 10 minutes before opening. Setups are happening. Very strong break there. You see the strong break, guys. 742. Look at the 2 minutes time frame. You see how we left, how NQ left all the block below, starting at 733. So possible entry. Go down, NQ go back, down, going to this other block as starting at 733. To recover 742 and continue pumping. Possible listener. Heading down now.
I can really.
So right now touching 742. Let's see if they go to this other block. 733.
As soon as this shutdown is over, you're ready. Ready for what? Unless you're a government employee, shutdown shouldn't affect your ability to grind at all. We get it done no matter what. So is just the 3-hour video available anyway to get the full 3 days? They're all together, bro. I combined all 3 days for free into that video. Just got my express yesterday. Locked me in first trade. Hey, that's dope. And you do mobile detailing. That's cool, man. Good business to be in. Keep posting. Keep growing your business, my boy.
Block finished at 721. 733. From 721 to 733. Right now they're inside this other block. Now what I would like to see is a recovery of 742. Thanks to this other block. That's it.
Government employee working for no pay right now. That's crazy. So is that what everyone that's doing in the government that's not getting paid is you just basically working for free? And then whenever the government opens, you'll get back pay? Yeah, you're about to get a fat paycheck. You don't, most don't get back pay? What? Ain't no way that's true.
So we need to give a mega trade.
So you're working, but you're not getting paid. You know what I would say? I'd say hasta la vista, baby. I ain't doing that shit.
Hasta la vista, baby. I'm going to Kingswood.
Yeah, if you're working, you'll get back pay. If you're laid off, unfortunately, I'm sure it probably not.
Do you see the reaction on the other block? They're coming up now. We'll see if 742 is recovered. Will you follow me? Seven for two being touched now. I would like to see again a strong break. See, look at this now.
I appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, too, thank you guys for liking the stream. If you're on YouTube, make sure you tap in, hit that thumbs up. I trade live for you each and every day. Do my absolute best to find you guys winners, as well as my team inside Team Bull. And if you're on TikTok, make sure you tap in, tap that screen over and over with those money-making fingers. Get your DOD flowing. We choose discipline over dopamine every single day. We trade smart, we trade safe, and we stay focused. Appreciate y'all being a part of the stream. And as a reminder, if you are trading with prop firms, I have all of our partner firms listed below that you can get funded with and get paid with. Appreciate you using code Jdun. You get payout protection, best discounts, and more. And all right, guys, tomorrow, it's happening tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm officially announcing a partnership with an options prop firm that I have tested the last month. I've gotten to know the ownership very well. They've never denied a payout. You can get payouts the same day on your funded, same day, on day one, just like TPT. And I'm going to announce that tomorrow with a fat discount for all of you option traders, for all of the option traders that have been looking for somewhere to trade with. I got something special coming for you tomorrow.
You see all this?
I got something special coming for you tomorrow. Yep.
That's what I do.
I did say option prop firm. Yep, Bobby.
They're gonna do a crazy.
They're legit too. They're super legit.
Learning time, guys. Learning time. Practice. I hope everybody is clear why I like the ones. Estamos aquí en fundador de blog.
What platform? It's their trading platform. Ever heard of hedge funds? Of course I've heard of hedge funds. Of course I have. Question is, Greg, what are you looking for today? What's your main watch? You think we're gonna pump?
Yeah, but the setup already happened. It's happening now, close to the opening. That's what I don't like. But that means that they're gonna play some crazy games before. The pattern is there, the range is there. So
What up, Brad? Give him the video with a little pullback too. Do we have any names that have relative strength this morning? That's what I'm looking for. Apple's not down too far. AMD has earnings tonight, I believe. Can double check that, but I think AMD has earnings tonight as well. So they might be a little tougher to trade today, even if we found a trade.
these guys are playing games.
Been a while since I tapped in. Well, welcome back, Airy Dad. Appreciate you being here. We have a massive gap down in the market, so we'll see what we get. I'm not super biased either way right now. I'm not super biased either way right now.
You see the reaction, guys? Go to blog again. You see how they're playing the semi-4 too?
We might need to ask Grandma again.
The idea is okay.
Grandma's been on a roll. She's like 9 for 9, guys. All I'm saying is Grandma has been on an absolute nuclear tear. Her market intuition is nuts. Thoughts on gold? I like trading gold. I haven't traded it a ton, but I do like it the times I have.
Yes. 30 seconds. Moment of truth.
Yep. Let's go, guys. Trade smart, trade safe, and choose DOD today.
Yes. Moment of truth, and look at the tricky point where we are now. That's between 742 and between
Let's go.
tricky spot, guys. Tricky spots. Don't pump it now. Go down, grab some crazy liquidity, and then recover 742. That is what I would like to see. We'll see.
All right, let's get it, y'all. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. Choose discipline over dopamine today. Remember why you're in Team Bull. Keep yourself accountable. Keep yourself focused.
Also, they left another block at the daily level 700. There's another block there. Starting at 698.
Do I do option trading sometimes? What's up, Gene? Bro's right on time. Thank you, bro. How's your morning?
Pretty good. Okay, so let's do this.
Let's get it, Grizzly Glock.
After a big move down overnight like this, it makes for some rough day trading. So let's be patient.
Yeah, it can definitely take a little more patience for sure.
Yeah.
It can definitely take some more patience, but what happens when we choose patience? We get paid, baby. That's what we get. We get paid. We get, yeah, we paid. Yeah, we paid. Oh my gosh. Free falling. My main watch today is going to be the shorts. The shorts. Of course. How could it not be? Until we see some sort of confirmation for longs, I'm following the pre-market trend. Let's go ahead here and mark out our pre-market low for screen share. Mark that blue not to get confused. Pre-market high. There we go. Let's see, Team Bull. Not a whole lot that I'm seeing right now. We have a pre-market low here. Gonna wait my April setup. I did buy a little more Bitcoin this morning. I scale whenever I see dips like today. I scale in. I'm out of time to really look, but literally whenever I see a dip, I'll just go add $2,000. What's that right now? Like your Bitcoin is 103 right now. Perfect time to go buy a quick little $2,000 worth. Another $2,000. Boom. Done. Because one day when we're over 200K, I basically just bought myself 2K in income. It might take a while. It probably will take a while, but one day. I'd rather save that money in Bitcoin than save it in a checking account. You feel me? What do you think today, Mr. Gene? How'd your night go?
Good.
Good.
I didn't know the trade.
Oh.
Well, myself and my top account and my FF account's already up, so I don't know what's in it.
All right, let's see what they give us. We'll see what they give us. We don't choose what we get from the market, but we do choose how we react. And that is a fact. We choose how we manage our risk. We choose how we execute. We don't choose if we win or lose, but there's other variables that we can control and stay focused on. It's the stress they're gonna be. Jdun. Let's see, got that. Okay. I'm not buying longs yet either. My main watch is the short side. If I was feeling a little risky, I'd try shorts on this next pop up, but I need to see more 5-minute confirmation. I know how that goes when I have a feeling, but I don't have my 5-minute confirmation. Sometimes I win, but my win rate significantly goes down. Woo! Thanks, bro. Oh. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Oh.
Watching price action is
2-2. What are you looking for, Mr. Greg? You want the longs, huh?
looking.
You want a pump. Bro wants a pump.
Recovering 700. Waiting for 742.
Bro wants a pump. See. Nope.
I'm watching up around 25,783, 25,800 for possible score.
All right.
83 to 800 area.
Probably I'm maybe taking the lessons at this level. Just hoping a little bit more. Taking the longest.
Greg and the longs. No trades for me.
Entry 750. Stop loss is at 29.
We're looking for a trade today? Of course. Of course we are, baby. I hope we get a deep pullback up so I can look for a short entry. That's my main watch. Personally. Do I teach how to get started every day? I trade live here every single day. All you have to do is hit that follow button in the top left corner and show up on time. That's the biggest problem is people can't stay consistent. We got new people in here every day, and that's great. I love having new people in, but I'd like to see the same people coming back too. Give me a month of your time, and I will turn you into a disciplined monster. Just ask around. Ask people who come for a month or two straight if their life has improved even a little bit at all. Improve 10x. Let's go. Jdun loves you, Lyco Swift. I will turn you into a monster, baby. A DOD machine. That's my goal, is to turn you into a DOD machine. Choosing discipline over dopamine. I have. I think I did 75 hard twice. As a reminder to TikTok, I am live on YouTube as well if you want full screen share. Jdun Trades on YouTube. Jdun provides the best free trading content online. Appreciate you, bro. How are you going to let a guy who is a millionaire outwork you? Yeah, don't let me outwork you, bro. Come on. I want you to outwork me. I want you to wake up, choose greatness. Greg's still in the longs. You're still in the longs, correct, Greg?
Yes.
Okay. Just want to make sure.
Who's calling me now?
Margin.
Who's calling margin?
It's my friend telling me that keep the loans.
That's a good candle, but I wish you had a bit more supporting volume there. Good candle though for the upside for sure.
Now everybody knows why I like loans, right? We recover 700.
I appreciate your service, Lyco Swift. I recognize your name.
That's why. That is why.
If you want to get on a non-delayed stream, go into the Discord, into Team Bull's Discord Zoom. Still staying patient, everybody. Still staying patient. We do have our 15-minute range in though. Let's go ahead and mark that out. Green, not to be confused. Interesting. Pre-market high and 15-minute high on SPY are literally like, well, I guess if you count this wick, technically speaking, this is our pre-market high. I guess if you count that. All right. As a reminder, too, guys, tomorrow I'm announcing an exclusive discount in partnership with an options prop firm. If you want to trade equity or options, get funded and get same-day payouts, get paid out on day one of your funded, I'll have a partnership and backing of a firm that you guys can trust. I know we have a lot of options traders here, a lot of you guys that rock with me, which I'm very thankful for every day, might I add, trade options. So if you guys are looking for a firm that you can trade with for less and trust, get payouts on day one, I can finally put my backing into them that you follow the rules, you get paid out. So tomorrow, I'll have an exclusive discount for you guys. They've never denied a payout, and they have very good infrastructure. They're backed by capital, and I think they can be a good choice for you guys that want to trade options. Obviously, I still want your end goal to be a live account. Let's not get that twisted, right? I think live account is the best thing for anyone and everyone forever as a trader, but I do think props have a time and place where they can be very valuable for you. For sure. So let's not get that twisted. I do appreciate you guys' support, and I appreciate you guys using code JDUN, you guys using DOD. But I do want you focusing on building up your skill set, building your confidence, and trading in a live account and securing your freedom for your family. Damn, we didn't quite the 50% retracement. Didn't quite get there. Is your account locked, Gene? Till what time? Oh, bro, so I ain't taking no trades.
You see the setup price? They went down 700. We recovered 700 with a change of character. We recovered 742. That was my trigger to take the loss again.
What you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Greg, still in the longs. Let's go.
No, I was top out already.
Oh, never mind. Not Greg, not in the longs. But green trade, we'll take it.
Green trade, baby. 2 green trades. The 7-2,
Hey.
No, don't use it. If the 200 EMA was there, yeah, good conference, but I don't use it.
No trades for me yet. Just staying patient. No systematic setups. Market's moving up on a massive downtrend, so that's the type of setup I have a hard time taking without clear confirmation, right? Because our trend is clearly down.
If you guys took 742 again, guys keep it tight, okay? Because we have news. You never know. Oh man, look at the time.
No, I'm not in a trade yet, too, but I'll let you know if I take something. I'm watching this area here.
Oh shit! Look at this. Look at this.
Look at that, Greg. Well, if you guys held those longs from Greg, you're printing. He stopped out in the green still, so it was a green trade. But
It was a green trade.
Yeah, it's green, but if you got your stop and ripped up,
Yes.
hate that.
Yes.
Team Bull is 1 for 1 on the day. Nice job, Greg.
It's a big range, guys. It's a big pump range.
Good job, Mr. Greg.
Thank you.
Still, green trade to start the day on a massive gap down. We'll take it.
Oh man, the batteries, the daily range go from 700.
Wow.
They recover 700, and the end of this range is 888. And look at how they're heading crazy to that level.
Damn, my boy. They said, I'm going to ping your stop and rip.
Anyone took 742 again? Make money? Yeah, this was a trade that I was explaining from 9 a.m. So I hope, the most important, I hope everybody understood why this set up and what I was expecting. I hope you guys see the change of character. Did you see it, guys? At 700. Most important, we need to learn. Did you learn? Okay.
What caused that gap down overnight? Was there any news? Jeez Louise. All right. Let's see here. How was that candle? I'm looking for a setup. I bet Brandon's starting to look for shorts as we pop up. I actually am looking for shorts as we move up to like 860s. Like 850 to 865 with stops above like 8, basically 880. It's a little higher risk, but it's basically the only level I see right now. That or we close this candle strong and wait for a pullback down back down to like 800 for longs. That'd be something I'd be willing to try too.
We're going to kill this range right now.
I'll watch for a pullback to 80. I still like this 860 area for a reject. It goes against what I'd typically like to see, but I haven't taken it yet. I'll let you guys know if I try it. I'm watching pretty closely. Price action. Right now, my main watch would be a pullback to like 800 for longs. It's hard to fight a 5-minute candle like that with volume.
Beautiful. Daily rate is gonna be finishing soon, man. My brain just work.
Doing something higher risk. I'm trying a small piece of shorts up here with a 17-point stop at 880. I might get cooked, so we'll see. $17-point stop. It is counter trend. We are moving up, but we had the impulse candle back at last night. I'd like to see a rejection off this area. There's only 17 points of risk and a hard stop in, so I'll be 0 for 1 if I lose this trade. I am. I took shorts up there. Come on. I need to see below 50 to trim. I need to see 17 points 1 to 1. So I need like 46 technically. Come on. Push it down. No, 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 no. Push it below 50. There we go. Come on. I'm going to put my stops at the high of this candle at 70 on this, guys, in case we pop back up. We got a decent entry up there. This is the rejection I wanted to see. So if we end up popping back up, the trend is up intraday right now. So no, I'm just going to put my stop at break even. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm putting my stop at break even on this. If you guys want to trim, feel free. You're up 10 or 13 points so far. I'd like to see 46. My stops are at break even. Come on, hanging on for dear life. I'd like to see below 50, but don't let this. All right, guys, I'm out. I'm out of the trade. We might go lower. If we fail this candle right here and we show a sign of reversal, we can. We can look for reentry, but we didn't get the push down I quite wanted to see off that initial reaction. So little different trade than I typically take for my system. So I want to be a bit more cautious with my risk. We got to move from like 63, 65, whatever your entry was, down to like 48. But if we close this 5-minute candle strong, or the strong reject, then you can look for a re-entry with stops above the trend-setting candle high. But personally, I just don't want to. I don't want to continue with it unless we see confirmation. So that's why I stopped break even on that. Hopefully that makes sense. Don't you see why now?
Daily level is coming as 8 again, so this will be the end of the daily range.
Our intraday trend is still up right now. So if we see some sort of reversal candle up here, we can try the shorts. I was willing to try it initially up there, but had to stop it once we didn't see the reaction that I wanted. Dun, dun. Sorry that didn't go farther, guys. Still looks like our best bet for entry today is going to be a pullback for longs here, unless we see some sort of aggressive move up, some clear sign of failure. We get the higher time frame, lower high from this massive gap down overnight, and then we start an aggressive flush. I could also see that being a scenario too. I could definitely see that being a scenario. For sure. What are you looking for, Grizzly Glock?
Is about to be finished. We are rookies. 588.75. We will kiss this one. We have to kiss it.
The only reject area I like now is up around 26,000.
We have to kiss it. There you go, guys. The kiss.
26,000, Grizzly?
Yeah, if we get out there today, I'm gonna watch that. But I'm watching for a pullback to that 25,800 to 25,780 or 787 for a possible long entry.
Yeah, that's why you got to remain vigilant, guys. I initially liked that move we saw off that touch of that area. As soon as we held 50 and we're moving back up, I said, nope, not doing it. Whenever you're trading against the trend, which the trend is clearly up right now, the trend is up intraday, you got to be real quick. Now, if we would have gotten that continuation push down, that could have been a really nice top tick, but I'm never going to sit there and hold for hope on a top tick or a bottom tick. I really don't like taking bottom ticks. I'm more likely to take a trade like I just took and try it on a move up versus a move down. Because when you try to time the bottom or catch a bottom, you can get decimated very quickly. Greg made some money. But you can't have forever. Damn, Tesla had itself a nice orb retest. How did I miss that? Day that we die, survival of the fittest. That Tesla orb retest went crazy. I'm not crazy, but did the Jdun 2-for-1 for payout. Nice. Let's go. That's awesome. More and more people getting payouts with Team Bull. That's what's up. That's really cool. All right, let's see here. Let's see if they give it to us. Come on, baby. Now, as a reminder, TikTok, I'm also on YouTube as well. If you go to your YouTube app and type in Jdun Trades, you got the best community on YouTube. It's low key, but we're focused. We choose DOD, baby. If you want full screen share, tap into the YouTube, Jdun Trades. All right. Let's see if we end up getting this sell-off here that I was looking for. I still like the odds of trying a bounce down here at pre-market high. I mean, here's the thing, guys. Here's what's cool is that if we go down and we test this area, right? We test this area for a long and we dip, we just stop up below a trend setting candle. It's, you know, it's not a huge, there's not a huge risk there. FLA, what the F is the deal? That is what I wanted to say earlier. This is it right here. This is what I wanted to see is some aggressive selling, especially if we get a higher volume candle here. All right, let's see. Let's see what they end up giving us on this beautiful Tuesday. I got about an hour and a half left of trading in me, so we got a while. We got a while of trading. Interesting. Higher red volume on that. What's the high here? 88, 78, 68, 50. I'm going to have to try this long if we get this pullback into like 800, 790, I think. I don't like it with the pre-market trend, but as far as intraday goes, I mean, it just looks good. This is what I wanted to see with our short setup earlier. Exactly what I wanted to see. Exactly what I wanted to see. Do I watch volume on QQQ or NQ? I mean, I watch both at the same time, but if I'm trading NQ, I watch the NASDAQ. I watch the instrument that I'm trading, personally. It's my go-to. As a reminder, guys, make sure you guys are using code Jdun if you're going to get funded. I appreciate you guys using code Jdun for payout protection and the best discounts possible with all of our partner firms below the description in the YouTube. Funded Next is 15% off. Alpha Futures is 10% off. Tradeify is 40% off. And Apex is the best deal right now. 70% off with $40 lifetime PA fees is crazy. Crazy. You guys can use code JDUN for the best possible discount always. And a side of DOD, baby.
This is the kind of reaction you see when the ranges are finished. So we finish the range, the new range. I mentioned from 700 to 888. Now, see what happens.
Team Bear on AMD. Sorry, Greg, go ahead.
Okay, go ahead.
I wasn't calling any trades. I was just going to say some shit about AMD. You know what's hilarious in the Tradeify Cup is that they started out with 15,000 people. There's 6,000 traders left. If you literally just did nothing, you'd be in the top half of traders. If that doesn't show you anything about retail, I don't know what does. If you literally just didn't touch your account, you're in the top half of traders.
Also, keep in mind that remember I mentioned that there is also a 4-hour range inside the daily range. The 4-hour range, that was the 742 level. Remember? That was I put the trade. And this 4-hour range finished at 975. 975. Let's see if they want to also kill this 4-hour range. They already killed.
I am. My account's up like $500. You know, I don't really love trading competitions. They encourage people to full port and reset. You can reset 3 times. It's just they're not. I think the best. It's fun, but they're not the best for trader psychology. It was just Brett asked me to do it, so like, whatever. It's fine. I'll help you. I'll help Tradeify. Tradeify is a good firm. And you can use code JDUN for 40% off Tradeify. 40% off straight to funded accounts with Tradeify using code JDUN always, baby. And guess what? I'm going to help you get paid out. I do every day. Kind of a slow, stagnant start to the week for me. I'd still like to see this pullback down to pre-market high. Just getting into trading. Any good pointers? Yeah, take it slow. Build a solid foundation, my bro. Don't let social media and the comparison be the thief of joy for you. You're on your own lane, own pace, own journey. As a reminder, too, Team Bull, we have Jared Tendler tomorrow, the author of The Mental Game of Trading, coming in at Power Hour. It's a strict benefit of being a premium member inside Team Bull. So I appreciate you. I appreciate all y'all being a part and taking advantage of that. It's an investment in our team well worth making. At least I think so. I think it's a good investment for sure. I swear, whenever I haven't caught a trade, a solid trade, time just moves so slow. Last time I listened to Jared Tendler, I went on to get 5 payouts in the next 2 weeks. True story. That's awesome, Menace. Yeah, it's a great addition. Something that no other communities really do. We invest into our community here. Pay good money for him to come bi-weekly, and it's my hope that you guys use that to better your trading. Mr. Gene, where are you going? Hoping to grab a spot to trade in the HQ next Friday. You got it. Yeah, don't leave, boo. Don't leave, boo.
This feels more, it feels like you go trade, huh?
All right. The New York elections today. Curious. It's a little spicy. What do y'all think about the mayor race there? That Mondani guy in Cumo. What are the thoughts? What are the vibes? We're waiting for a trade. You know, I was having a conversation with one of my boys about this. I mean, a lot of you know kind of where I stand on that, all those whole deals. But he was explaining that, you know, like, I think that part of the reason why he's gotten so popular is he's so unorthodox, and the fact that people like the average person is in very rough shape financially right now. And with AI and robotics coming and job replacement coming, like, I think that we're going to see, you don't got to agree or disagree with me, I'm just saying my 2 cents. I think we're going to see a push for more, I guess you could say, like, socialist-based policy, given that what's going to happen when AI comes and wipes out, 10, 20 million jobs. Right? Is everyone just not going to get paid? It's going to have people starving. So I think that with every political position or idea, sometimes they gain popularity, and you got to have a trial and error period, and I think that's what you're likely going to see in New York. So it's my 2 cents. My best advice to you is learn a skill like trading, make as much money as you possibly can, get off the grid, disappear, take care of your family, and live drama free. It's my best advice for you. A skill like trading, it's going to be a while before AI replaces us. And I mean, even let's say AI became super proficient in trading right now, okay? A majority, like 80% of trading volume right now is HFTs anyway on Wall Street, right? So if there gets to be some AI that is super incredible and reads the market before we do, well, guess what? It's going to be proprietary and it's going to be on Wall Street. AI sucks at trading in itself right now. Like HFT makes up a majority of trading volume, but in terms of like true AI trading, it's not great at the moment. And wherever there's supply and demand, like even if AI becomes incredible, like even if AI becomes absolutely incredible at everything it's doing, there's still going to be supply and demand in the market. So as long as you can be on the right side and on the robotic side and on the side of where supply and demand meet and price pushes, you're going to be good. Sure, could trading get a little tougher? Totally. But it doesn't mean you can't make money in it.
I'm still looking for pullback for long entry. I don't like anything here. I don't like short.
Yeah, it's kind of a tough spot for sure. All I'm saying is that regardless of where you're at politically or elections for mayors or governors, just get your money, right? You do what you can to help your community however you feel, but when it all boils down, no one's coming to save you. The government ain't coming to save you. No politician's coming to save you. You're going to save you, and you're going to take care of you and your family. So quit moaning and grinding and whining and get on your grind, build skills, make money, and disappear. That's what we're all here to do, right? No one's coming to save you. I'm going to come try to save you with discipline over dopamine, though. No one's coming to save you, and Jesus is king. Facts. And if that offends you, I am not sorry. You want me in office? I'll go in office. The people of the United States of America, I command you to choose discipline over dopamine in every way, facet, and shape in your life. God bless. Now, you're all going to the gym. Seed oils are banned. No more red 40. No more yellow 5 and 6. No more blue 1. We're all eating steak for dinner. And we're all choosing DOD. That's my presidential campaign right there. Would y'all vote for me? No more seed oils. No more artificial colors. No more artificial flavors. We're all getting ripped. We're all learning how to build high-income skills like trading. And we're all choosing health and wealth. I don't like longs or shorts right now. You out of here, Greg?
Yes, I have 2 green trades already. I'm okay.
I took 1 trade, break even, but no winners for me today. Or losers, per se.
Before I go, anyone has question about the trades? Thank you very much. basically, the first thing I saw was my range, daily range. If you go to daily time frame, you will see the candle from October 27th. In daily time frame, you will see a big green candle there. So I identified this candle like my range. If you see the bottom of that candle is 700, the top is 26013. Correct? So I put the loans based on this one, on this range. There's also another range I had, which was a candle going from 2588. That's the one that we are getting now. That's the candle from October 31st. So I also marked that range, that candle, which is going from 888 until 274.
Still moving. Still moving up. As a reminder, guys, if you're on TikTok, make sure you tap in and check out the YouTube too, maybe tomorrow. I'm still on today, but it's Jdun Trades. I have a free course on there. I'm live there every day as well. The best stream to be in is in Team Bull, but I have full screen share there, and we got a great YouTube community.
Replicated from the gap because everybody was expecting they will kill the gap. That's why they went down, grabbed some money there, recovered 700. At the moment I sold 700 change of character. That was my trigger based on the ranges I had.
Yeah. And give it to you, Greg. Your bias was good today. You killed it.
Thank you. That's why I took the loss based on this analysis, based on the ranges. Ranges work. Everybody was expecting killing the gap. Sometimes we need to think outside of the box and look what we have on the graph.
There's 550 people on TikTok right now. Typically, so far today, we've had almost 9,000 people in and out. Pretty cool. The average stay time is longer on YouTube, though. That's why I always know, like, as our YouTube grows, they're just people that come on YouTube stay longer. I mean, most of you are likely on watching full screen share, maybe on are you guys on a desktop, laptop, or phone? What are you guys watching from? TikTok, I know you're from a phone. Where's that DOD? All you care about is views. God forbid I answer a question about views. Yeah. Yeah, you know what? I do care about views because the more people I can impact and help, the more people that'll win, which means that's a win for everybody. Desktop, laptop, yep. Yeah, the YouTube audience more so desktop and laptop, I figured. I'm going to start watching every morning. Appreciate you, Gio. I mean, I'm just going to warn you, though, bro. I will bully you into choosing discipline over dopamine and trading smart and trading safe and hitting the gym.
So those were my two triggers. 700, which I already explained how I got it, and 742. So they recovered these two levels. 700, that was my trigger.
Let's go see price.
That was my trigger to go the loss. I watch price action, I watch order blocks. I remember before the opening, I mentioned that there is another block below, 742.
Let's see. One. See, we can't trade this right here. So if I had to look at, for example, if I had to look at a potential trade, right now it looks like we had this move up. We're kind of flagging, and it looks like we want to see some sort of breakout above this trend, right? Above this area, because that's the direction we came from. I'm still open to a bounce down here, and I'm even open if we close below this 15-minute low and these levels down here for a short entry. But right now it's looking like longs if we continue up and hold above this trend.
It was looking change of character. They didn't. As you can see, when they opened, they went.
Oh no, pink and no tone. Well, let's see. Let's see what we get here, fellas. I'm still watching. You know what today's probably going to be? I got about 30 more minutes. I'm going to stick around. Ish. It's going to be one of those days where we consolidate. I leave, and then 5 minutes later, price explodes. Watch. Watch. Give us a super mega trade for 500 points, right? I'd love to. I'd love to. Anything you like, Gene, if you were trading or even watching the charts?
No, I'm not even watching charts.
Want to come side, everybody? I gotta use the restroom. Maybe that'll make it move for you.
Oh, what's up, dog? Nothing.
Be nice to Gene.
Wow, that move up was crazy. Oh man, it's all warm over here. What up? I have one, bro. I just need to bring it. I have a heater. I should bring it. I do. It's warm over here, though. What's up, guys? Yeah, it's cold in Colorado. Today they cold in Colorado. It's crazy. See how cold it is right now. 53. Oh, I live in Denver, city and county of Denver. Yeah, I know, it's literally insane. Did you see that?
What?
Some guy's up like 50 grand in
That's insane.
Trader Park Cup.
Got my Team Bull shirt on, baby. You know what it is. Same attire every day. Gene clearly missed the dress code. What? You have your Team Bull shirt on? You better. All y'all should be wearing Team Bull shirts to trade every day. The material's great. They're comfy. Tighter on the arms, make you look jacked. Come on. No trading today for Gene. Nope. If you guys would like to support and get yourself some Team Bull gear, I'll send the link right now in chat. I'll send the link right now in chat. Go get yourself some DOD. Wear DOD. Don't just look at DOD. Live DOD. Gene will have your order shipped out likely today. What? Yep. It all comes from in-house. Does the merch have DOD on it? It doesn't actually have it on it, but it should, huh? I'm going to talk about charts. I mean, I'm watching. There's no setups I like right now. I don't do well on days where we gap down and then just like trend the other direction. Or gap up and trend the other direction. It's kind of cool Team Bull for everyone that's trading the Tradeify Cup. Our win rate's the highest of all the teams. It's kind of sweet. They ended up combining a lot of teams. So our overall profit's a little lower, but our win rate is high. And our average P&L is positive for all of our traders. A lot of these teams, if you go to their average P&L, it's negative. That's kind of cool. Our average P&L is positive, and our win rate is 80%. That's the highest of all the teams. So, I mean, a lot can change. It's funny too with the Tradeify competition is that if it started out with almost 16,000 traders. You guys know how many are left? That's why I tell you guys DOD every day. $9,800. Some reset. So over a third of them are all out. If you just simply didn't take a trade, if you simply just didn't take a trade, you'd be in the top half. It goes to show people just blow themselves up. For y'all that are trading your Grand Cup accounts, proud of you guys choosing DOD. Team Bull forever, baby. Am I going to go long? No, I'm not. I am not going along. Come on, give us a nice day of price action. I wanted that bounce too. I think we're going to get some aggressive action today, just maybe a little after I leave. Tomorrow, I 100% will be here the full 2 hours. I got to go in like 15, 20 minutes today. As a reminder, guys, tomorrow I'm announcing my first and only partnership with an options and equity prop firm. So if you've been wanting to trade options or equity with a prop firm and get daily payouts, get payouts on day one of funded, just like TPT, I have a firm for you that is backed by me and you can trust. They've never denied a payout. Super solid. They're someone that you can trust with your funding. So if you trade options or equity, it's going to be a good spot for you if you're looking to start trading options. And as always, I appreciate y'all tapping in, hitting that follow button, hitting that like button on YouTube, hitting that thumbs up, and being a part of the fam. Choose DOD every day. Too much promotion. Can you explain market structure? There's nothing happening. We're bouncing back and forth in a 40-point range. So the second we catch a systematic trade, I'm down. It actually looks halfway decent. This last candle looks decent for a reversal. 880, what's the high here? 889. The trend is up, but this previous 5-minute candle does look good for a reversal. We'll see. Just placed my order for merch. Thank you, C Pony. I appreciate you, bro. Oh, adios. I didn't realize you were leaving, Greg. My sound was off.
Greg cut out. Come by.
Now we're moving down. All right, let's see here. Got that 5-minute reversal candle here. If we get a second reversal candle up, I'll look for the next pop up for shorts, and then maybe we can target this pre-market high down here. Or if we don't get that pop up, we can. I'm still open to a bounce around like 790 with stops below like 766. What's the high here? 71. All right, guys, I'm looking for a short entry. If we close down here, if we get too far down, then that'll invalidate it. But I am looking for shorts if we close here and pop back up. There's two scenarios. We either short this next pop up, or we still look for our original plan with longs down at like 790-ish. I'll let you guys know what I take either way. I will let you guys know in real time. We got 8 more seconds till this candle closes.
Still watch the original plan if we push down for it. 25,802 is going to start being interesting.
Let's see if we can get back into this 40 to 50. Come on, a little higher. Just wanted to see a little higher on that to get closer to the. I mean, even if we would have top ticked that, we would have still had over 30 points of risk. Just want to see like 45, 50-ish in that zone. Oh, man. It's really going to do that. Do me dirty like that, huh? SPY's not selling as much, so it's surprising. Some pretty aggressive selling. We'll see. 790. I'm still open to it. 790 for a long with stops pull like 766. If you end up trying it early, Grizzly, have at it. Almost got to your 802. We got close.
So here's how I'm going to do this trade. When I enter, I'm going to leave a little room to add, because my stop will have to be below 25,766 if I enter long. So we got a position for that big of a loss. So I'm going to start a position closer to the 25,800. I will add to it at 784 or 785, but my stop will remain the same. I'll let you know if I take it. I have my answer for the side.
I still like 790. 790 to 780 with stops pull of 766. My only issue is that we have that aggressive downtrend pre-market, so I'm not sure how much I want to try to squeeze out of a long if we get the initial bounce. Another aggressive selling candle. That's tough to long, for me at least. Some aggressive selling on the 5-minute chart. We're there. See if we get. I'm watching 790 personally. 790s to 780 is the area I'm watching. Still not in. Still not in. Still not in, guys. Still not in. I'm not in. Not in yet, guys. Not in. Just watching. Not in. Not in. Just watching. Just watching. Just watching. I'd rather see a wick up to about 90, and then at 90, try it with stops below 766. I'm not trying this death candle down right here. So, just waiting. And if we go below the 766, it invalidates almost entirely, which we just did. No entry for me, guys. Just waiting. We may even end up getting a short entry. See. I'll let you guys know if I end up taking anything. Yeah, Brandon killed those ES shorts.
Even if this trick does invalidate, we don't take it. There is another bounce area I like. This one controls on that 680 area, 680 area.
It's high risk. I'm trying to piece the longs, guys. Stops below 63. Like 90 area. It's higher risk, guys. We have about from 90 down to 63, about 27 points of risk. I might get cooked on this. If you want a little better entry, you can wait for the candle close above the 15-minute high, but I did try it here at 90. Well, stops at 63. It is higher risk. It's higher risk for sure. We got that bounce, that wick up back to that 90, what I wanted to see. And I'm following the system here. If it goes below that 63, or arguably even if we close weak below like 80, I might stop a little early. Come on, push up. There we go. I'm going to trim a little off here at 810 just to be safe, guys. 20 points, close to 1-to-1. I just took a little off here at 810, guys. I want the rest to run up. Let's go. Come on. Almost 30 points at 820. I'm going to go ahead to just kind of have to leave soon. I'm going to set my stops to break even. I'd like to see continued push up here. I have taken some off. We're at 1-to-1 right now, guys. I'd like to see more. I'd like to see more push. Let's keep this moving. Let's see what we can get out of this puppy. Come on. Give us above 820. Let's see those previous highs of 840. Make sure you guys have taken some off. We got that sniper entry there. Stops are at break even. Come on. Final take profit, final price target would be up in like the 840s. Break even is 90 or whatever your fill was. Come on, keep pushing up. Come on, keep pushing up. If you want more risk on the trade, you can go with a stop still below 63, but with how price action's been, just be careful. Come on, Team Bull, let's go. Let's get more push up, baby. Come on. We've gotten 1R so far. We want more. We stayed patient for that entry. We waited for the exact spot. Let's see if we can get more now. Come on, baby. All right, guys. Trade should be over or about over at 90. Keep your stops at break even. Keep your stops at break even, everybody. If we fail this pre-market high, or if we get some sort of reversal candle here, you can also look for the close and then shorts with stops above this candle. You got that initial push. I want to trades over. Trades over, trades over, trades over. Trades over on that push down. May even have friend end up going short. See how we react in this 15-minute high. I wanted to see more of that. We ended up getting 1-to-1, but I wanted to see more. I wanted to see more out of that, guys. Personally. And I have to go soon. I got things to do today. I got people to see, things to do. Right between the 15-minute high and the pre-market high. I do have my serious face on. I hate that I have to leave because this price action looks good. Yeah. Longs worked out great, 1-to-1. I'll take 1-to-1 all day, considering my win rate stays at 70 to 80%. So I'll take 1-to-1 all day. Anywho, I'll never understand. See you, Grizzly. Peace, bro. I'll never understand, man. It's got to be a tough life to be a grown man and going to TikTok streams hating. May God bless you. Now, fries in the bag. That's just playing. To the 2, to the 3, to the 4. I'm chilling. 30 points, 1-1. We'll take it all day. Not the greatest trade, but we'll take it 1-1. It's fine. At this point, I personally like shorts more. If we fail to go above pre-market high, and especially if we fail this 15-minute high, it looks like we want to take shorts and move lower. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. I personally like shorts too. Until we break and hold above the 15-minute or pre-market high, I think shorts are going to be in the move. I got to go though. I have responsibilities I have to get to today. What does all this mean? Well, if you want to learn, welcome to the live stream. First of all, I appreciate you being here. Make sure you tap in and hit that follow button. I trade live every day. I walk through my trades live. And second, make sure you check out the YouTube Jdun Trades and live there as well. The people on YouTube stay much longer. It's a more focused, I guess you could say, stream because you get full screen share with all my levels. So I appreciate you following, appreciate you tapping in and trusting me with your education. I think you'll get a lot of value from what I do. At least I do my best to make it that way. Remember, to everyone, please remember that I will never reach out to you first. Don't get scammed by fake me's. I won't trade for you. I won't ask you to deposit money. Please do not get scammed. Damn, it looks like it really wants to move down now. This candle volume kind of sucks, but if you want a trade idea for a short, wait for test up to pre-market high area with stops above 820. That's what I'd personally look for. Appreciate you, bro. Now we're moving down. That's what it looked like wanted to happen. All right, guys. I'm going to mob out of here. Again, no upside until we have a strong break above pre-market high with higher volume. Until then, follow the trend. The trend is reversing. The pre-market trend was down. Caught one 1-to-1 trade for 30 points. Other than that, I'm out for the day. I'll have the full 2 hours or more to trade tomorrow. So trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, do something positive for yourself today, and I'll see you guys on stream later, all right? God bless y'all. Have an amazing rest of your day. Choose discipline over dopamine. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you on the next stream. God bless y'all. Peace. Y'all be good out there.